So the sun is the smallest thing you can ever imagine of. The sun is like a dot. It's a point of intersection. See, two axes coming together. That point, that dot, that's where the sun is. But because the friction along that the sun's orbit around the universe centered the super sun, that speed alone produces too much friction that we see a giant spark that is glowing for years and will be glowing. Check all these planets, they are all centered at the sun. The sun is the midpoint where all planets are centered at. So take the whole solar system as a package. Take it as one thing centered, one object rather, centered at the midpoint of the sun. So the sun basically is a point where the whole solar system comes together. At that point is where a high-speed rotation around the universe is happening. So the heat and the energy we receive from the sun is as a result of the friction along the path that the sun is taking around the super sun. The super sun is at the center of the universe, and that is the gateway into a fourth dimension universe.